Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there was a small bird named Chirpy. Chirpy was tiny, but she had a big heart. Every day, she would fly high in the sky, feeling free and happy. But there was one thing that made her nervous. The big dark clouds that appeared during thunderstorms. One afternoon, while Chirpy was flying, dark clouds gathered quickly in the sky. A loud thunderstorm began, and all the other birds rushed to find shelter. But Chirpy, being small, couldn't reach her nest quickly. As the rain began to pour, Chirpy found herself shivering with fear. She wished she could be as brave as the bigger birds. Suddenly, she remembered something her mother had once told her. Courage is not about being big or strong, it's about facing your fears. Taking a deep breath, Chirpy decided to face the storm. She flapped her wings harder, flying through the rain and wind. Slowly but surely, she reached her nest, feeling proud of herself. From that day on, Chirpy never feared the storm again. She learned that courage comes from within, and that even the smallest can be the bravest.